Welcome to the CQ Press Congress Collection, a research and reference tool for analyzing the history and development, legislation, powers, and personalities of the U.S. Congress. Content is organized under four main sections: floor votes, member profiles, analyze data, how Congress works. Let's start with floor votes. To view floor votes, you have several options. If you're not sure what you're looking for, you might be interested in Browse CQ Key Votes. This is a vote in the Senate or the House that the editorial staff determined was most important in a given term. The CQ key vote will be indicated with this icon. Another option that will be helpful regardless of whether you have a topic in mind or are looking for ideas is Browse All Floor Votes. You can use any combination of fields to narrow down our database of floor votes. If you have an idea of what you're interested in, try using our Search All Floor Votes function. The resulting list of floor votes we will filter so that we see the latest floor vote first, and let's click into this floor vote. Each individual floor vote is presented with the description of the vote along with the vote outcome by political party and include links to the roll call, the full text of the legislation, and a Map It tool which visualizes the roll call of a selected vote on a map of the United States of America. Congress Collection also provides Congress member profiles, a compilation of personal indicators and a narrative summary. You can find members by name, year, or by characteristic. The profile will include personal and professional indicators as well as links to their voting record, their interest group ratings, links to their voting scores, and a narrative summary. You can also visualize the distribution of seats of Congress in each state with the member map. The power of Congress Collection lies in the analysis capability. Congress Collection offers several tools to assist in data analysis under the tab Analyze Data. Let's look at voting alignment. This tool will help you answer the question, who allies with whom in our nation's capital? Let's look at another tool, interest group ratings. This tool will help you answer the question, do special interest groups impact the legislative process? Similarly, the voting scores tool helps you answer the question, how often do members vote with their party or support presidential positions? Along with these tools is the Advanced CQ Key Vote Analysis. The Advanced Floor Vote Analysis will help you answer the question, does personal experience affect how a member votes? You must first select a key vote, and then this tool will provide a selection of personal indicators you can use to analyze the behavior of Congress members for this selected vote. Congress Collection provides analysis tools, and we also provide avenues to download the data for Congress members and their votes with this Download Data tab. From here, you can download data like biographical characteristics, interest group ratings, voting scores, roll calls, and how members voted or aligned. For further information on Congress, including legislative analysis and a congressional dictionary that defines more than 900 terms, see the tab How Congress Works. Congress Collection also offers timely contextual reports that contain detailed analysis of the latest congressional news. You can find the latest Congress report on the homepage and view more reports via the button View All Congress Reports. Let Congress Collection help you make sense of representative democracy.